Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can put yourself on a newspaper using InShot. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my InShot application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project by clicking on this video option and then select new, and then we can choose our video we want to put on a newspaper. And I'm going to select a video from my gallery album. Wait guys, I'm still choosing my video. For example, I'm going to add this video to my InShot project. I'm going to put it on a newspaper. Okay, and then we're going to add the newspaper frame to this project. To add the newspaper, we can select PIP, and then we can go to the material and select picture category in this InShot material. And then this is the newspaper frame. I'm going to tap on that. Okay, and now the newspaper has been added to my project. But wait guys, I'm going to adjust the frame. I'm going to change the canvas like this. Alright, and then I'm going to extend the duration of the newspaper. I'm going to make it align with my video. Like this. Oops. Okay. And you can adjust the size of your video. You can zoom in or zoom out like this, and you will be able to rotate it as well. You can use your two fingers to rotate it. Okay. You can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. Alright, I think it looks good, and this is the final result. As you can see guys, that my video is on the newspaper now. And once you're ready to export it, you can click on export icon right here, and then the video will be saved to your device. Before you export it, you can add music or text or anything you want, and then click on export to save your video. Okay guys, and that's all the way to put yourself on a newspaper using InShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.